Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bugs Coins and welcome to the channel. Excuse me. And welcome back to the Glacier Series of £2 coins from the British Antarctic Territories. If we have a look on the back, you'll see that all of them have been issued to a maximum of 1,950 for this particular coin in this particular packaging. There are two sets of coins now available. One is these carded versions, of which there are, as I say, 1,950. Popjoy, who are selling these, are also selling on all 6 of them in a pack. Now I don't know whether they're carded like this or whether they are in capsules. I don't know. However, we digress slightly. This is Neptune. It is one of the 6 coins that make up this series. There are 2 planets which miss out on this series, and those 2 planets are Jupiter, which is a huge planet, and the other one is Pluto. Now if you look at the actual where this series of glaciers are, there are actually a Jupiter and a Neptune glacier. So why didn't they have their own coins? I can't answer that. All I know is when I went on to order the Venus coin, which was, it said this is the 6th and last of the coins in the series, which I found a bit perturbing, but never mind. Now if we bring this in a little bit, whoops, take the enter, oof, yep, there we go. We have Neptune. In the cartouche, this area here is a glacier, and what's circled is where the Neptune glacier is. You've got the name Neptune at the top, you have the value of £2 at the bottom, and you have Neptune himself there. And of course Neptune is the sea god, and therefore is in this disguise as sea, as you would see him on a lot of paintings from Roman and such times. However, this glacier is on the east coast of Alexander Island. It's 12 miles long and 4 miles wide, and it is not part of what is known as the Planet Heights. Now that's the only information that I was able to really glean from looking at the internet. There was some other stuff, but it was very technical and doesn't help in describing what it actually is. So it is a glacier that's a rather large glacier. It's 12 miles long and 4 miles wide, and if you have a look on the background, as I said, there is a map of a glacier, the glacier system going across, and inside the circle is where the Neptune glacier is within that area. So that's a very brief description of the coin. I've given you some information that I've gleaned from the internet. So what do you think of this coin? Would you want it in your collection? Put the answers down below in the comments area. I actually have enjoyed this series quite a lot, and it's been a series that I'm happy to have collected. Once I got the first one, I'm a completionist, so I had to get all of them. Do I think they're value for money? Yes. But like a lot of the Popjoy coins, they are slightly overpriced. You're paying a basic tenner for a £2 coin, which is okay, and then you've got tax and postage on top of it. So it works out around about £15 for a £2 coin, which isn't cheap. But that's a problem that Popjoy have had, and I don't know how they can get around it. I don't know why you have to pay tax on top of the coin itself. It's a bit, it's a bit false. If you see a price of £10.50, you expect to pay £10.50 and no more, and then you suddenly realise that there's tax and there's postage on top of that. Postage you can understand, but tax, why didn't they just give you a post-tax post-tax price at the beginning, so you knew what you're going to be paying? It's a bit off-putting with Pobjoy that they do that all the time. It's you have to remember when you're going onto the site that you do have to pay tax and you do have to pay postage. Postage I can understand, but they should be able to work it out so that how much tax, how much you'll pay, and say this is the cost of the coin. It's something I don't like about the Pobjoy shopping experience, but that's just me. So, if you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you've not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I'm trying to reach 250 by the end of this year, by New Year's Eve 2023, December the 31st. I'm well on the way, but I still need that extra bit of help. I just recently passed 200, and I'll be looking at doing a giveaway in the very near future. I haven't quite got it fully sorted out yet. I was taken a bit by surprise by getting it so quickly, so please excuse me for being not ready. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again, which I hope will be in the very near future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.